Let's get to our final trade of the day and the day trade of the day. Joining us now is Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. Before we get to your trade, what do you think about the overall market conditions this week?
Overall market conditions, you know, with the Fed, that was 100% priced in that they weren't going to do anything. People are going to continue to go over and over Chairman Powell's words to see if they can see any sort of clue for any sort of continued dovishness. And then also what they're looking at is that $50 billion a month that they're going to be drawing down that balance sheet for the Fed. So those are the two things that they're going to be worried about. What's more important, I think, is that starting yesterday, we had the meetings, the 48-hour meetings with China, and that's whether and when that gets resolved, that's going to be the biggest market driver that we're looking at.
And a big move in Apple. A lot of traders are still talking about that.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people were really worried because the tone has really not been set great for the early part of this earnings season. And had Apple tanked, I think that would have caused a lot of people to say, "Hey, listen, we maybe have to recalibrate what we're looking at." So that move up in Apple really, I think, gave a little breather to the market.
And now your day trade is?
Yeah, we're looking at Nvidia. So what this is, I'm going to need a bit of a move. This is going to need to move up for me to get there. But if it does, these type of technical setups are really, really good. So I'm looking for us. We were trading about 33.35 when I came down from the floor. If we are trading 139.48, that is my trigger. This is going to be something quick. So I'm going to go out not to tomorrow's date, but I'm going to go out to next Friday, give myself a little bit of time so I don't get decayed out on Friday. But I'm looking at the 147, 149 call spread. That should be trading between 35 and 40 cents. Let's say I have to pay on the upper end of that. That's going to give me about 3 to 1.
So what happens?
4 to 1.
If this, that's fantastic.
And I think I'm being conservative with where I'm targeting.
And if this doesn't happen, you just go out worthless?
Of the trade? Hopefully if things do, if it does trigger and it doesn't follow through, hopefully you can be quick enough and cut yourself for some sort of losses. You never want to let your losses go to 100%.
Absolutely. Yeah. And what do you need to have happen here to be profitable?
Just rock it up.
We'll see if that happens. Yeah. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.